It can be really frustrating if you want to play one of your favorite games on your PlayStation 4 and you get an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code that reads NW-31297-2. First, let's try one of the easiest and quickest methods to try and fix your PlayStation. Unplug the power source from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now be patient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different from powering down your PlayStation, so make sure that you try this method. If it works, great. If not, then let's move on to the next method. Second, let's make sure that you're getting internet to your PlayStation. So let's do a quick reset of the Wi-Fi. Find your router that is giving you internet and unplug that for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. When it reconnects, check your PlayStation then. If it doesn't work, then let's go ahead and move on to the last method. Okay, with this error code, it's caused by a failure to connect to the wireless network. So to fix it, go ahead and go to Settings, then Network, then Set Up Internet Connection. This will configure the network settings all over again. If the error only occurs in a limited time, the wireless network may be busy and preventing the connection. Try disconnecting other devices from your wireless network and retry internet connection test again at Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection. If you cannot disconnect other devices from the wireless network, try an internet connection test on a PlayStation 4 at another time. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.